Little's World.
A is for ant. B is for bear, B bear. C is for cat, D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for flamingo, flamingo. G is for giraffe, H is for horse, horse. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, L is for lion, lion. M is for iguana, monkey. N is for narwhal, narwhal. O is for owl, owl. P is for panda, panda. Q is for quail, quail. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sheep, sheep. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for urchin, urchin. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for whale, whale. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we know our ABCs. Sing along again with me. A is for elephant, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, L is for lion, lion. N is for iguana, monkey. N is for narwhal, narwhal. O is for owl, owl. P is for panda, panda. Q is for quail, quail. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sheep, sheep. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for urchin, urchin. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for whale, whale. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we know our ABCs. Sing along again with me.